313-212. This is the 10:13 old train service from Portsmouth and Southsea to Littlehampton, owned by a shit train company because they cancel. Here it is. There it is. 212. Oh. There it is. With the whistle on it. Should be going any minute, that train. Near the whistle on it. Ready to depart any minute. 313-212 shortly departs Havant for Littlehampton. This train is from Portsmouth and Southsea to Littlehampton, soon to be gone for good. Off he goes. An old car.